Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Tiffany Grace Disa, 31 years old, live in. I have two children, ages 13 years old girl and 9 years old boy. I am Aglipayan and Molitor. I am the eldest in the family. I have one brother. I am a college level. I took up hotel and restaurant management. I have work experience before in Philippines for 2 years. I serve 3 members of the family. Consists of one couple, one kid, and I am the only helper in the house. I do all household chores like cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and taking care of the kid.
How old the kid?
4 years old na.
4 years old. Boy or girl?
Boy na.
Okay. And do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who will look for your two kids if you're going to Hong Kong?
Dear father and my mother, ma'am.
Your family allows you to go abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. Is that okay for you?
Yes,
Are you willing to look for newly born baby in Hong Kong?
yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
For my family, especially for my kids, for the
If you
future.
feel homesick, what will you do?
I will just concentrate with my work and make myself busy all the time.
Will-
I will just think of my family that I need to support them.
Will you promise not to go home in case of emergency?
Yes, ma'am.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs my service.
Okay. Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to look for elderly in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids?
Yes, ma'am. I do love kids very much and I have patience in taking care of.
So can you handle naughty kids?
Yes,
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
yes, ma'am.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
To my future employer, hello, ma'am and sir. Please don't hire me as your helper and I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. I am a hardworking person and flexible. I will treat your kids and take good care of them as my own. I am a hardworking person and flexible. I can work under great pressure. Thank you so much and see you soon.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2342.